Hello everyone, it's me again and you're welcome back to this channel. Today I'm at University of São Paulo, which is the best university in the whole of Latin America, and I'm here with something good. Like I'm here with a good news. I really want you to get admission in this particular school because of the so many benefits that is attached. Aside the fact that it's in the city of São Paulo, the school itself has so many programs that you can apply for. But in the course of this video, I'm just going to be discussing about just one program that I stumbled on that is currently open, and international students can apply irrespective of the country where you are. So what program are we talking about? Talking about a master's degree in production engineering. Okay, so it's a postgraduação em engenharia de produção. Postgraduate study in production engineering. Okay, it says opening of the call for applications for the master's course for the second semester. The postgraduate program in production engineering at USP São Carlos School of Engineering is accepting applications for master selection process between May 8th and June 1st. Today is 22nd. So you have between now to June 1st to submit your application. And the program offers vacancies in the following research line. So if your research line is within manufacturing for industry 4.0, operation management, innovation and circular economy, operation research, and system management, this is a good opportunity that you should, of course, submit your application to. The current selection process for the program will include, in addition to vacancies for competition, also vacancy focused on the affirmative action policy. That is, people from different affirmative social group, talking about, we all know this group, right? So in this case, the candidates may choose. If you want to apply, you may either choose to apply under the affirmative status, or you could also apply under the wide selection, the category that is meant for the wide selection process. So at the time of your registration, you can decide to pick one of that is general competition, affirmative action. So how is the registration going to be done? What are the documents required? Everything that is you need to know, you will find them in this particular link of the program. So in that link, if you click that link, it's going to take you straight to this particular page. So you can either apply for masters, you could also apply for a PhD, which in this case it is a continuous flow, and you could as well apply as a special student. In case you don't know, a special student in Brazil is referred to someone who is interested in a particular postgraduate course, but and the person applied to it not as a regular student. That is, you are not obliged to do all the courses. Maybe you are just interested in one or two courses that is offered in that program, and you are kind of interested and you applied also that you can, take classes for this course. But it does not, at the end of it, it does not give you certificate of completion of master student. What it gives you is like an edge. If you eventually want to apply for masters in that program or elsewhere, it gives you an edge because they know that you have been exposed to certain knowledge within that program. So those people, category of people, this category of people is referred to as special students. So when you hear special students, they are not referring to people that are disabled. The PhD is in continuous flow, and while the masters is open right now. So let's take a look at the selection process. The postgraduate program in production engineering at São Carlos School of Engineering of the University of São Paulo, in the exercise of its legal attributions, made public and established the rules for the selection process to fill vacancies in the master's course of the postgraduate program in production engineering with entry scheduled for the second academic semester. Don't forget that second academic semester usually starts between the month of August to September, and it could extend a little bit depending on how fast the or how late the school is. So once you get here, you can access the registration or enrollment form here. So look at what this place says. Candidates with approved applications, selection process, master degree, second semester of 2025. Okay, so I think this is just like an headline which is going to be populated. It's going to be they are going to kind of attach something to under this headline later on when they get to this stage. Okay, because the call is open and they've not finished the uh, application process. Don't forget that the enrollment is going to start from, it has started already and it's going to end on the 1st of June. Okay, and like I said, if you click this part, this access the current notice here, it will also take you to this place where you see regular alunno seculari ingressanti in Mistrado. So what are the things that you need to know about the application? You need your RG, you need CPF, titology elector, documento milita, essa vista, certidão de nascimento ou casamento, front and back, certificado de profissão em língua inglesa, histórico escola da graduação. So, talking about your transcript here, talking about your BSc certificate, front and back, talking about your proficiency in English here, talking about your birth certificate or marriage certificate, front and back. So talking about the military documents that Brazilians usually get, then all other documents that you are supposed to provide. Okay, so like I said, click this part, then you can get this document. So once you get this document, try to download it. Upon downloading, translate it to English, then get every other information that you need. I am wishing you best of luck. If you find this video helpful, consider giving it a like, consider sharing with someone that may be interested. Don't forget that information is power. When you share information with someone, you are actually empowering the person. So it might not actually be you that is in this line of research. It might be someone you know, your brother, your cousin, your friend. Please kindly that if the person is interested in coming to study in Brazil, kindly share it with the person. And if you know someone that is not motivated, but the person is, the person wants to do postgraduate study, but is not really motivated, you can also send it to the person, just to bless the person with this information. Like I said, if you are coming to this channel for the first time, you have been seeing the videos from this channel and you are yet to subscribe, please kindly subscribe, like the video, and if there's any information, if there's any comment, or if there's any clarification rather, you can drop it in the comment section below. A lot of people are actually getting admission this season. For example, just today alone, I've seen three different names. Two of them they've shortlisted them for the first stage, while the third person has gotten the admission just today alone. So guys, if you are interested in coming to Brazil, keep it locked to the channel, because I'm going to be dropping videos from different schools time over and over as I come by, and as I'm being able to put one or two things together. So I'm going to be uploading them on this channel. So guys, I'm wishing you best of luck as you're going to be submitting your application for this school, University of São Paulo, one of the best universities, not one, it is the best university in the whole of Latin America, and so many people want to come to this school. So what about you? You could also submit your application, and if you are so blessed, you are favored, you will just find yourself in Brazil via this, with the help of this school. So on to the next video, guys. Até breve. Ciao, ciao.